Please subscribe, like, and share.
My queen mothers, you're all welcome.
Thank you.
You're all welcome in our palace. In our language, we say, who brought cola brought life. But remember that our life is in the hands of God Almighty. Now, if we are blessing our cola, we speak our local language, not English anymore. Because the cola does not understand English. It's only Igbo language to understand. So now I want to call God Almighty to bless our cola. Onye meligwe anyị na-ekele gị na bro gị sala chi ebi na aja gị mma chinyere anyị ndụ ya gbasi kinye udo anyị hụnanya. Chinedu anyị ma n'ụgbọelu ma n'ụgbọala na-aga n'udo anyị na-abata n'ala ala. Anyị sị gị nara ekele n'aha Jizọs. Amen. Chi anyị leelu ụmụnna anyị ndị enyi anyị ndị si mba dị iche iche ma obodo ebe ma obodo Ghana. Imebi akwanyere anyị ugwu n'obi eziokwu. Ndị na ha na-emekọta ihe n'ụzọ dị iche iche. Onye ọmụma ebe ha bịara ga-abara anyị uru. Anyị nwa ga-abakwara ha uru. Ọjọọ anyị na-ata ọ ga-adịrị na anyị mara aha nke Nna na nke Ọkpara na nke Mmụọ Nsọ. That's Romain. You got cola. Okay.
You want to announce where it's coming from. So,
okay. I think it's any other king here, of my brothers, any other king.
Yeah.
The Bell King.
Yeah.
Igbo Kelem, Moon, Zone, Ghana Aiko, Gai.
Our main purpose here today is to come here to see our High King, and then he knows that the Worldview organization is in Ghana, and as I came to discuss with him, he told me that when they come, I should bring them home. So we know that where we are now is one of our homes. And before I will continue anything, our leader, who is Mr. Wali Idris, a director of African View, is here. Mr. Wale, please stand up. The main reason why we are here today is Mr. Wale and his team in Ghana here. I need to introduce him to the king first before I'll add any other person.
Your Majesty, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.
I cannot describe how joyful I am in my heart to meet you and to be invited into this palace. We have a common friend, King Apollo's True, His Royal Highness, and he brought us all together, and I noticed that you have spent some time with him on his birthday. I was on the phone with him wishing him happy birthday during this time. I am extremely proud of the heritage that you have extended here and established in Ghana. I cannot tell you how joyful I am in my heart to see you here, the establishment, and how harmonious you are with the Ghanaian society. I thank you for this. Thank you very much. We're here for a very important purpose, and I'm very glad to share that with you. King Apollo's Chu is also aware of this and is part of this program that we do. And what we have started to do is to bring all African kings together, to come under one umbrella and speak in one voice as an observer at the United Nations. We started this a few years ago, so we meet every year in July around Nelson Mandela Day, called the Spirit of Peace and Prosperity. Many kings come all over Africa together as a conference of kings, and we talk about issues that are important to the African development.
I was introduced to Dr. Apollo Chus in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, Eleme, and when he was celebrating his 50th birthday, that is the Golden Jubilee, I was also invited. In fact, I went on a VVIP and everything was very successful. That's when I met my brother, Akin. We all met in MLA. And LMA. And that was just about 10 days ago. And look at how we are bonded. So I'm happy that we are all one now. Our mission is to look for peace, justice, and prosperity.
Okay, thanks very much for hosting us. It's really a pleasure to be here. And I'll say on behalf of Nana Osiadeyo, my kin and Nana, that we've accepted the opportunity to be part of this wonderful family. And then we'll also be very glad anytime you have any function or aid or anything, just invite us. We'll be glad to support you. And then I also hope that today inspires ideas and discussions to help us develop our various communities. Thank you.
In this palace, I and my elders, we promote what we call the Igbo Ghana Foundation. We also have America's Igbo Foundation. We have dug over 17 boreholes in different villages in Ghana. We have dug about 10 different toilets. Each toilet contains about 10 holes, 5 for male, 5 for women. We have done that in so many areas, and we are still doing more. By the grace of God, this year, 2020, we are flagging off what we call feeding the hunger. We are setting up a Igbo Ghana street kitchen. We will be feeding 1,000 people every day. Because a lot of people today, you see them misbehaving. They will go and steal banana. They will go and steal pure water. They will go and steal 20 cedi, 10 cedi, 1 cedi. It's out of hunger. Because they cannot feed themselves. And when they wake up in the morning, they don't even know where they are going to. They don't know what to do. Some of them are very strong and healthy. They can do something, but there's no doubt. Anywhere I and my elders, anywhere we see Ghanaians, we see foreigners, human beings, we will never say no for assistance. We always say yes to assisting human beings. Thank you so much.
We're signing this scroll. We're signing this scroll.
Will happen the dates?
No dates. No dates.
Okay, that's done. That's good, man.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Please subscribe, like, and share.